Hi, this is Katrin from Crafty Orange Mouse, and today I'm going to show you how to use my files with Silhouette Studio. So for the basic version of Silhouette Studio, you have to use DXF file format, and for that kind of file format, there is some preparation necessary that I want to show you in that video. So I already opened my Silhouette Studio, and I'm also using the basic version. So for opening the file, you click here on Open, and you need to look for the location where the file is saved. So you download the file, and it is zipped, and you have to unzip it and save it somewhere, and then you have to look for the location. And here you see the DXF folder, and that's what we need. So click on DXF and then open the file. Okay. So first we need to check if the dimensions are okay. So usually I design my stuff in a way that it fits to an A4 paper format or US letter format. So we need to look for the default sizes because I want to do it on an A4 paper format. And the files come with an instruction file, PDF. So you have to look for that and have a look at that. And then we look for the scaling. So there is a page that tells you something about the scaling. You see here the gray checkbox. So if you select all of the elements together and scale it to the dimensions that are told here, all of the single elements will have the right size and will fit to that paper format. So we need here a 12.992 inch and here 8.071 inch. So let's check that. So we mark everything together and we see, okay, that doesn't fit, so we need to do some adjustments. So we click here on group to make sure we have all the elements together and that they will have the right size. So we type that in and please make sure that you lock the aspect ratio. So you will have the right dimension for the complete design then if you lock that. And yeah, please do that. Okay, so I will put that aside a little bit that you can see that better. The next step, we have to ungroup everything again. And then just to make sure that all the lines are independent, we make a right click on the design and say release compound path. So sometimes they are stuck together and we don't want that. So just to make sure that everything is fine, release that compound path. So in the next step, we can delete that checkbox because we don't need it anymore. We have scaled it to the right size. And then we can do the scoring. So for that, we have a look at the instructions again. So there is a page which tells you which lines are score lines and which need to be scored, the right dotted lines here. So we will do that in our design. So for silhouette machines, I don't know actually a separate scoring tool. I use the blade and I usually do it with a perforated line. So that's what I made a good experience with. I think you can also do the scoring with the blade, but that's something that I don't like so much. So I'll do it with a perforated line and that's what I'm going to show you. So you go to that panel with the line style. And then you pick here that dotted line, and you can pick just whatever you like, but I like to use this one. And then you go to the second design, just mark that, set the line, this one as well, and that one. And then you can group that together so that the lines stay together. And that's it. So now you can use the file for your cut. Just prepare it as you're used to, and then everything should be okay. So I hope you liked the video and the video helped you. If there are any further questions, just leave me a comment or write me a message. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.